What if I told you that you're just 14 minutes away from completely flipping your financial life upside down? And not in theory, but in practice. I'm not offering you a lottery ticket, a get-rich-quick scheme, or some fantasy that relies on luck. I'm giving you the raw truth that most people will never hear, because they're too distracted, too overwhelmed, or too afraid to take control. The world has changed. The rules of money have changed. And the people getting rich right now, they're not all trust fund babies or tech geniuses. They're regular people, baristas, college dropouts, stay-at-home moms, 9-to-5 workers, who simply discovered the right mindset, mastered one simple skill, and took advantage of tools already sitting in front of them. In this moment, you have everything you need to start printing money from your laptop, your phone, or even your voice. You don't need investors. You don't need connections. You don't even need to be original. You just need a map and the courage to follow it. Give me 14 minutes and I'll walk you through how people are going from broke to booked, from overlooked to overpaid, by leveraging the digital economy, high-income skills, and scalable strategies that work today, not someday. It's fast, it's real. And if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, then read on, because this might be the last article you ever need to read before your first $10,000 month. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs, and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. 1. The 14-minute mindset shift, what you've been missing. Give me 14 minutes, not to sell you a dream, but to reset the way you look at money. Because the truth is, most people don't have a money problem. They have a thinking problem. We live in an age where information, tools, and platforms have erased nearly every barrier between you and financial success. Yet most remain stuck in survival mode. Why? Because we've been conditioned to believe that building wealth requires 30 years, a high-paying job, or an invention that changes the world. But that's no longer the case. Making crazy money today starts with breaking that mental block. What if you learned that people with less education, fewer connections, and more disadvantages than you are already earning six figures from their laptop or phone, simply because they leverage the right skill, the right tool, and a sliver of consistent focus? You're not 10 years away from a breakthrough. You're 14 minutes away from deciding to pursue a high-impact strategy, learning one scalable skill, and applying it with purpose. Let's shift from doubt to decision and walk you through exactly how. 2. The digital gold rush, what pays in 2025? We're living in the biggest economic shift since the Industrial Revolution, and it's happening online. The fastest path to crazy money today doesn't come from working overtime. It comes from positioning yourself in the digital economy. This includes freelancing, remote consulting, affiliate marketing, content creation, digital products, crypto, AI tools, and more. But let's zoom into the real winners of 2025. Those who package value digitally. Take freelancing, for example. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are flooded with people earning more in 1 month than others earn in 1 year. Graphic designers, voiceover artists, virtual assistants, video editors, and content writers, all making $2,000 to $10,000 per month. But how? It's not just talent, it's packaging. A Fiverr gig that charges $10 can be reframed as a $500 monthly service. The same logic applies to drop shipping, digital coaching, or creating niche newsletters. The internet rewards clarity and specificity. If you solve one clear problem for one group of people, you win. The digital economy doesn't care where you're from or what degree you hold. It rewards proof of value, speed of execution, and how effectively you market yourself. Want crazy money? Start playing in the arena where results, not resumes, pay you. 3. Find one skill. Master it relentlessly. Here's the cheat code. You only need to master one high-income skill to change your life forever. Crazy money doesn't come from juggling 10 things and being average at all of them. It comes from going deep on one thing and becoming undeniably good. Whether it's copywriting, digital marketing, YouTube automation, SEO, video editing, coding, sales, or even creating short-form content, the formula is the same. Start with free resources. YouTube is a university. Blogs and Reddit threads are filled with strategies from six-figure earners. Then upgrade to a $20 to $100 course from Udemy or a creator you trust. Practice daily. Make $10 first, then $100, then $1,000. You don't need a degree, just discipline and obsession. Let's say you learn short-form video editing using CapCut or Adobe Premiere. In a matter of weeks, you could be editing TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts for influencers or businesses that desperately need attention online. Charge $300 per month per client. Land Dick's clients, that's $3,000 a month, working part-time. Or flip that. Learn sales and close deals for a digital company. Many closers earn 10 to 20% commission per sale. One $5,000 package closed, that's $500 to $1,000 in your pocket. The skill doesn't matter as much as your commitment. Find one that fits your interest and go all in. Mastery multiplies income faster than any degree ever will. The 14-minute business blueprint. You don't need an MBA to launch a business in 2025. In fact, if you give me 14 minutes, I'll outline a blueprint that can turn into your first $10,000. Ready? Start with a simple formula. Pick a skill plus solve a problem, plus find a platform plus charge for it. Let's break it down. Suppose your skill is writing. The problem you solve. Small businesses need SEO blogs to rank on Google. Your platform? LinkedIn, Twitter, or Upwork. Your offer? I'll write 4 SEO blog posts per month for $500. Now go pitch 20 businesses. Land 5. You're at $2,500 a month. No overhead, no team, just you, your laptop, and your skill. Now apply this to other skills. Video editing for YouTubers, website creation for local businesses, bookkeeping for Shopify store owners, social media management for restaurants, or even coaching teens for SATs. Each business follows the same path. Pick a niche, craft a solution, and pitch it like you believe it can change lives. The beauty is, this isn't theory. It's what people are doing right now to make crazy money. Thousands of six-figure one-person businesses are operating from coffee shops and bedrooms. The 14-minute business blueprint works because it removes the fluff and focuses on value exchange. Money flows to those who solve specific problems quickly. 5. Monetize attention, the new currency. If you're not building or buying attention, you're invisible. And invisible people don't make money. In 2025, attention is the most valuable currency. Every TikTok you scroll, every YouTube video you watch, every Instagram post you like, someone is getting paid for that. You can be on the consumption side, or you can be on the creation side. Let's say you build a faceless YouTube channel. Using AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and CapCut for editing, you publish weekly videos in a niche like finance, health, or productivity. Once monetized, you earn ad revenue, affiliate sales, and maybe even brand deals. The best part, it compounds. A video from 6 months ago can still pay you today. Or you run an Instagram page about travel hacks, post consistently using viral content strategies, and plug affiliate links in your bio. Each booking made through your link, you earn a commission. Now do the math. 1,000 clicks per week can easily turn into hundreds, or even thousands in monthly income. You don't even need to be on camera. Anonymous content is exploding. Meme pages, AI-generated reels, faceless TikTok channels, all examples of digital real estate that pays you over and over again. The only cost is time and effort. In 14 minutes a day, you can script, record, or schedule posts. After 90 days, you've built a media asset that prints money. Attention is leveraged income. Build it, and you'll never worry about bills again. 6. From $0 to $100,000. Realistic roadmap. Now that we've covered the mindset, the skills, the business model, and the attention economy, let's give you the raw, unfiltered roadmap from $0 to $100,000. It won't be easy, but it's brutally simple. Phase 1. Learn and earn $0 to $2,000 per month. Pick one high-income skill. Spend 30 days immersing yourself. Practice daily. Build a portfolio even if it's free work at first. Then list your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or start DMing potential clients. The goal? Earn your first $1,000. This proves the model works. Phase 2. System and scale. $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Once you're getting consistent work, raise your prices. Productize your service, meaning offer set packages. Use tools to save time, templates, automation, AI. Hire a virtual assistant if needed. Start tracking income and setting monthly goals. Phase 3. Multiply and automate. $5,000 to $10,000 per month. This is where crazy money begins. Add another stream, YouTube automation, an online course, affiliate marketing, or content creation. Outsource some client work. Launch a website or funnel. Build a simple email list. Invest part of your income into tools, ads, or mentorship. Phase 4. Build the brand. $10,000 to $100,000. By this point, you're no longer a freelancer. You're a brand. People know your name or your companies. You create authority content on LinkedIn, YouTube, or your blog. You teach others how you got here and monetize that knowledge through courses, coaching, or group programs. You launch digital products that scale with zero cost per sale. The path to $100,000 isn't magic. It's execution. It's showing up even when nobody's watching, working when motivation is gone, and making smart decisions repeatedly. With the internet, you don't need 1 million followers or a massive team. You just need a profitable skill, a smart offer, and unshakable consistency. Give me 14 minutes, and I'll give you the map to financial freedom. You've now seen the power of skills, digital tools, attention, and execution. Making crazy money is no longer reserved for a select few. The gatekeepers are gone. The market is open. The question is, are you ready to walk through it? Because money doesn't chase potential, it chases action. And if you take action on even one section of this article, learn one skill, launch one offer, create one video, land one client, you'll be further ahead than 99% of people still waiting for the right time. This is your time. 14 minutes may not seem like much, but it's enough to ignite the fire, pick the path, and start the journey. The only thing standing between you and crazy money is action. Thank you for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.